Okay, what's the plan, y'all, this morning? What's the plan? What gonna be doing? What gonna be doing, Tyler? Go ahead.
Well, I get up.
Knocking trees down.
I'm gonna get up with Mr. Mike
We're gonna do
and go ahead and pull this shit out.
Okay. So we cutting the trees down. What are we doing? We cutting the trees down?
Yep. We getting that one over there first.
Okay.
Yep. We're gonna knock them all down.
Y'all got the plan?
We gotta leave that tree though. We need that tree. That's our pulling tree.
Okay.
Okay. So
Until we get back there.
there go your neighbor.
Okay.
Okay.
He said.
See, he tried to try that shit before.
He did it to you?
No, when he tried to give us, remember he tried to give us that homemade wine?
Fuck him, he a spite that he poison y'all.
Yeah, so we about to start.
You ain't finna build shit on this land, damn motherfucker.
Oh,